Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2004 Honda CRV. So right now is the problem with the engine mount. The customer complaint is when he shifted into gear, pressed gas, and he hear like a clunk noise, like clunk clunk like that. So when I checked it, the transmission mount is bad. The engine mount on the right side is worn out a bit. I'm replacing them both, so I'm gonna put it in gear for you to hear. Very loud noise. Now the car right now is in reverse, so it's vibrating like I can feel it on the steering wheel. It's vibrating, but when I put it into drive and when I press gas, you're gonna hear the clunk noise. There you go. You hear how bad that is? I'm gonna roll down the window so you guys can hear. I'll put on the reverse. You can hear that clunk noise. See, the car is jerking back and forth. So I'm holding on to the brakes and I'm tapping the gas right now. So I'm gonna put it in drive again so you can hear it. There you go. And it's vibrating really, really bad on the drive gear. So when I shift it into drive, clunk, clunk, like that. There you go. Now for this engine 2.4, this one has 4 mounts. So the right side engine mount, the left side transmission mount, the rear and the front. I checked the front and the rear is fine. The right side a little bit worn out. The transmission side, I'm gonna zoom in and you're gonna see it's completely broken right there. You can see it right there. The bushing is all broken. To get access to the transmission mount, I'm gonna take out the battery here. I'm gonna take out the air box right here and the hose right here. For the air box, there's all 10 all around on the side, so you just have to remove all the 10 and take the box out. You can remove the boot too if you want, but this one you just need to remove the air box. Now I took out the air box already. I took out the battery tray too. For the battery tray, there's 5 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one you don't have, these two you don't have to take it out completely. Just loosen it out and lift it up. There you go, the battery tray holder, the whole air box. And before I'm taking out the transmission mount, I'm gonna put a piece of wood on the jack here, and then I'm gonna put it under the transmission oil pan, lift it up a little bit, make contact with it, and then I can take out the transmission mount. Right now I have my jack under, you can see under the transmission with the piece of wood in between. So I'm gonna raise it up a little bit, make sure it makes contact so the transmission go up a little bit. There you go, I felt it go up. Now you can shoot out this side bolt right here, and there's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. This one's kind of tight, so I gotta get this bolt out first, and then I can maybe use a pry bar, pry the engine so it moves out to that side. Because right now it's kind of hard for me to get in with the swivel socket because it's kind of like a tight gap right now. So I'm trying to take this bolt out, lift it up, get me some room, a little bit of space here so I can put the socket down. I put down my extension of my 17mm socket. You can see I take out the bolt and this moves freely, give me a little bit of room to put the socket down. You can see it's completely broken. There you go. Now I'm just gonna shoot out the transmission bolt. There you go. Now you can see I got the 3 bolts out and I can remove it like that. There you go. You can see it's completely broken. So that's why the engine keep on jerking back and forth like that. So when you put this back, I'm gonna put it the exact same place, this little cover right here towards the back of the engine, the firewall. So this one, my new one here, you can see it's good. Oh, this one has 2. So you can see the bushing right here, it's good. You can see, so it's not broken like this one. So I'm gonna put this one back. This one you can buy it at O'Reilly or AutoZone, I think for around 150, 170, around there. That's my guess. But I bought it my price, 40 bucks. That's a deal, baby. So now I'm just gonna put it back. I'm gonna put the 3 bolt with hand first, and then I'm gonna raise up the transmission to align this bolt. For you to align the engine mount, so you see how it's kind of off a little bit. So you can use a pry bar, pry it like this. You see how you have it straight. There you go, straight with the hole, and then you can put the bolt in, and then you're gonna have to sometime you might have to loosen this 3 bolts to get it to the angle to the right position where you want it, or you know, to put a bolt in or whatever. Might have to raise up the transmission a little bit, figure it out, adjust it a little bit. I just use a pry bar like that, and then I can put the bolt in. Now I almost have it straight, so I have my flat head in here. I'm just trying to adjust the bracket right here. You can see the back is lined up, but I'm just trying to make this face down and line up with the bracket right here. Just showing you guys different way you guys can do it. There you go, straight, good enough. Try to put my bolt in. Nope, need a little bit more adjustment. Before you guys tighten it down, make sure you guys don't have the transmission too down like this. Make sure you have it straight, like level, and then you can tighten it down. I had to loosen up the 3 bolt on the bracket a little bit, so I can. Okay, there you go. I'm not tightening it yet. I'm gonna raise up the transmission, make sure it's level, and then I can tighten everything together. There you go. I tightened everything down, tightened all the bracket bolt. I lowered my transmission, took it out. Now I'm just gonna put the air box and the battery. The engine side, I took out the reservoir right here, the 2 bracket for the 10mm, 10mm right here, the AC line. I popped it out, move it out of the way. I put the transmission jack under the engine oil pan, same thing like the transmission side. Have it contact a little bit, raise it up a little bit, and I'm gonna hit the 10mm right here, ground, 17mm, and 3 14mm. Now before I shoot this 2 bolts out, I'm gonna raise up the engine a little bit. There you go, kind of raise up a little bit. So now I can shoot the bolt. There you go. You see the engine kind of drop a little bit. I'm gonna raise it up again. There you go. And then I'm gonna shoot the 3 14mm bolt. Take out the engine mount. Oh, come on. There you go. Voila. Rusty. Wearing out. Now I'm gonna put my new one in. So this one I bought from O'Reilly too. It's around $150, $200. There you go. You can put your 3 bolt back and the engine mount bracket back. Got the mount in. I finger tightened the bolt. I did not tighten it yet, so I just finger tightened it so I can align this bolt right here. So for this one, it's a little bit off, you can see. So I can put it in here, and I'm gonna try to adjust it. You can see the engine's moving. I might have to raise up the engine a little bit to get it to align, and then put in the bolt. When I tighten it, either you can raise it up or lower it. Make sure the engine is level, and then you can tighten the bolt down. So I tightened everything down already. I'm gonna put my bracket back for the power steering and the AC line. I got everything back in already. The bracket here, the AC line, power steering, the line bracket right here. Don't forget your ground wire right here. So everything is good. Now I'm just gonna turn on the car and check. Should be no more jerking in the car. Make sure there's no more clunking noise. No more jerking. So much better. No more vibration. A lot better. Problem solved now. No more jerking. No more clunking. Pretty good. Yep. No more clunking noise. Okay, that's it, guys. So that's it to this video. Just the transmission mount and the engine mount that's worn out, gone bad. The bushing broke, so that's why when you shift it into gear, the engine would jump back and forth, and you hear that clunking noise. But for the new one, everything is good. So that's it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.